Everyone. Today we'll see how to animate a plot in MATLAB. So we'll simply have an sine wave and we'll animate it. So there are very like there are many ways to plot it, and we'll see some of these ways. So let us generate some data first. Now let's say our data is from 0 to 10. This is the x-axis data, and let's say y-axis data is sine of this x. So this x and y are two arrays now. Let me first clear this command window and workspace. Okay, so now XY datas are created here. Now to animate it, we can simply run a for loop from for I is equals to 1 to this length of x and plot it. Plot in a tailed manner such that every time from 1 to I is plotted, and from 1 to I is plotted. So as I will increase, certain lengths will be plotted. So let us say it is in dashed red color, and let's say our line width is 2. Now if we need a pause also for 0.01, and we'll end it. This will create a plot, but let us create a figure and fix the axis, because it will change the axis if we do not fix the axis. So let's say our axis is from my x-axis is from 0 to 10, and y-axis is from -1 to 1. Sorry, 1. And we need to hold this plot. Now let us turn on the grid also. Okay, so this will hold the plot axis, and the for loop will run and plot the sine wave. So now let's run it. You can see the animation. You can change the pause time to make it slow or fast. It is now slower. So in this way, you can create an animated plot. There is one more way, one more efficient way to plot it. What this does is basically plotting at every instance. So for a huge data, it will cause a problem. So there is one effective way to plot this data. What? Okay, now we have the data in a figure instance. We'll create there is a command called animated line. Let's create an instance for this figure. And at every instance, we'll add this point and it will plot it. This is not similar to plotting in a for loop, but it is much more efficient then. So for a larger data, it will be more efficient. Okay. So animated line will take some color, let's say. Let us say the color is blue, and line width is, let's say, 2 again. So this has created an instance H. We'll do the same, run a for loop for I is equals to 1 to length of x. Now what we'll do is add points to this H instance. We are now adding point to the instance H. Okay, so now this will not be an iterative plot, but it will be added to the instance. We will set the instance H. No, we do not need to set, because adding point is same as that. So we'll call a function called call a use a function called draw now, and we'll take a pause of, let's say, 0.01 second. We'll end this and we'll run it. You can see this is much more smoother for a larger data. We can set the line style also to double dash, let's say. Suppose I want a ball to follow it up. So I'll make a ball plot. Let's plot nothing. Let us make this ball of uh, BO, blue color ball, and make the marker edge color, marker face color as blue, and marker size, let's say 10. Okay. So we have created a ball also, which will be going along with this animated plot. So we need to set the ball instance. So the ball instance will be set, and this instance has some x data as x of y and y data as y of y. So now there will be a ball moving in a sine wave manner, and leaving a trace behind. Okay, we got some error. Okay, so this is a syntax error. Is it is NaN. Okay, you can see now the ball is moving a certain way. I can slow it down so that it is kind of more better looking. Let's, yeah, now you can see. So animating the data makes the presentation more cool, and I hope it will be beneficial to you. Thank you.